Hi everybody, let's unbox Maude by Amore in the color Sandy Beige Blonde R. Now I had Maude before. It's not a secret that I absolutely love this style, and I put some pictures in here of the other two colors I had it in. So I think I'm just obsessed and I want to see it in as many colors as I possibly can. So securely packaged.
Let's look at the cup construction. We have a mono top, extended lace front, open wefts sides and back.
Extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, velvet covered ear tabs, and a little bit of stretch in this cap. So you have a really lovely beach wave here. Sandy Beige Blonde. This is a really gorgeous color. So let's pop it on. Wow, so pretty. Every time I put the style on, I'm like, wow, that's pretty. Right, so let's just get it in the right place. 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. Slightly needs to come up a little bit. Move it at the ear tabs. So this is what it looks like straight out of the box. Great lace front. It's a mono top, so you can part it wherever you like. You can part it from here to here. So you have your middle part, your side part, whichever way you like it. Let me just brush it through with my fingers a bit. It's just such a pretty style. Tell me what you think of Maude and of this color, and tell me which of the 3 colors you prefer her in. Have a wonderful day.